Hey everybody, I hope you've been enjoying this marathon and these grammar portions with me. It's been great working with everybody. People are making progress, feeling things, doing their tasks. I'm really happy about this. So today we're going to take a look at conditionals, okay? So conditional, what is that? It means there's like a situation and there's a result of that situation. And we use a word like if. So we have different conditionals in English to talk about real situations, unreal situations, to talk about the present, the past, and the future. Today we're just going to take a look at a few of these constructions, and you're going to practice them and hopefully master them by the time you have finished this module. And of course, I'll be happy to answer your questions in our WhatsApp group later. So, first of all, we're always going to use an if word, okay? In conditional, maybe if, provided that, as long as soon as, supposing that, assuming that. There's many synonyms for if, all right? Now, in this conditional, which we call zero conditional, first of all, means it's present habit routine. So if something happens, I do something as a result. So let's say, if I am hungry, I eat some food, right? So if plus present simple. If I am hungry, result, I eat some food. So we simply use present simple in the condition, the situation, and we also use present simple in the result of that. Very easy, right? Because why do we use present simple? To express fact, habit, and routine. That's the exact same reason for zero conditional. So when I am tired, I take a nap. If I am sick, I go to the doctor. If my tooth hurts, I don't go to the Russian dentist. That's very scary for me. All right. Now, if we look at another construction, this is what we call first conditional. We're talking about a future realistic possibility here. Now, what's important here is what's real for you and what's real for me may be very different things. So it's based on your opinion what reality is. And we're only talking about future possibility. So let's say I live in St. Petersburg and it rains quite often and the weather is, it's kind of unpredictable, but rainy more or less. So I would say what? If it rains this evening, I will not leave the house. Now I change the result, will not leave. Okay, the result now is future simple plus infinitive form because we're talking about future realistic possibility. So let's say, if I get a bonus, I will go on vacation. Again, future realistic possibility. No difference in meaning here if you say, if I get a bonus, I will go on vacation, or I will go on vacation if I get a bonus. You can state condition first, result second, or result first, and the condition or situation comes next. Important to remember, in your language, if you use a conditional form, you say, if I will do something, there will be a result. Like, Josh, if I will do my homework, I will improve my English. No. Don't use will after if. If references the result. Will references the result. If is the situation of that. Okay, so if you do your homework, you will improve. If you take part in this marathon with 100% of your energy, you will see some progress. Future realistic possibility. Okay, now the last form for today is what we call second conditional form. Okay, second, but it's the third we're looking at today, but it's called second conditional. Now in this form, it's about a hypothetical imaginary situation in the present or the future, as well as an imaginary present or future result. So I'm getting sick, sorry. So I say what? If I had $1 million, I would invest it into the stock market. If I met Leo DiCaprio, I would want his autograph. Okay, so here I'm using what? If plus past simple, not present simple. And we're also in the result using would, which is the second form of will. All right, plus infinitive, because after a modal verb, we always have to use the infinitive form of a verb. So If I had $1 million, I would invest into the stock market. Second conditional. First conditional would be, if I have $1 million, I will invest into the stock market. Very different meanings here, right? First conditional meaning it's a future realistic possibility. Second conditional, we're speaking hypothetically about the present and the future. Mind you, we're using past simple, but it's not about the past. It's only about the present and the future. So, go over these constructions. There's a file with patterns. Okay, take a look at these patterns. Repeat these patterns just like we've been doing all week. All right, repeat these patterns until they become natural, normal, reflexive for you. And get to your tasks, and I'll talk to you soon.